Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to import calendar entries and tasks into IONOS Mail, both for basic and business. What you want to do first is come here at the top, you'll see these icons, okay? So for importing calendar entries, you click on calendar first, and you need to create a calendar if you don't have one already. So click on this plus icon next to my calendars, and then click on add new calendar. You can name this whatever you want, I'll just name it importing. Okay, and then click on add. And once the calendar has been added, what you do is you hover over it, click on these three dots, and then you click on import. Okay, and it'll ask you to upload file. So you can go ahead and click on this and browse through your file explorer. And you need to choose a file type, which is ICS.ics or .ical. So I have one right here. I'll use this. Click on open. And then you can go ahead and ignore existing appointments. If you want, you can toggle this one on. Okay, I'll just leave this off. Click on import and it will be imported. As you can see, data has been imported successfully. And for tasks, what you do is you go ahead and come and click on this icon for tasks. Okay, and you'll see right here, tasks. So you can click on these three dots. Okay, click on import and you repeat the same process basically. Click on upload file, browse through your file explorer, choose the file, right, .ics or .ical, open it up right here, and then click on import once it's uploaded. And as you can see, this one actually doesn't have a task data to import, but it is really that easy. Just make sure you're using the correct format, okay? But that is how to import calendar entries and tasks into IONOS Mail.